Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started on this El Camino. Alright guys, let's just get started. First of all, let's address the dents. Let's find all the dents, circle them out. I already found a couple of them. Let me just continue and find every single little dent that this car has and mark them. First thing, first step you gotta do. Here we go. These are some of the dents that I found visually. There might be more, but once I start removing the doors, I'll check the doors on the stands. Once I start fixing those, I'm gonna primer it and block sand it, and then I'll check to see if there's some more. But this is what I saw visually. This is the way I do it. It has been working for me, so let me just continue doing it that way. I have a question for you guys. I want to know, do you like longer videos, or you like 15-minute videos, 30-minute videos? Can you let me know in the description below how long you want my videos to be? That way I know that too long, not a lot of you are gonna watch the entire video, but this will give me an idea as to how long I should be making my videos. Please help me out. Leave it in the description below. How long do you want the videos to be? Okay guys, I'm on this area right now. I did sand it down with 180 grit, but before sanding it, I did fix these little minor door dings. They look like door dings. This one's a little bit bigger, but not that deep. So what I used to fix that was polyester finishing putty. This is what I'm using. You're gonna ask, why didn't you use body filler? Reason being is that these are extremely minor dents, door dings, which this body filler works perfectly for that. After fixing those, I did sand it with 180 grit, having it ready for that primer that's coming up, that so that I can start blocking it. But there is a hole right there which I do not want to apply any type of body filler or anything. I am gonna weld it. So let's go to that. There it is. It's been welded. Now I'm just gonna put some polyester putty right here just to smooth it out, and we'll be good. Here we go guys. I already applied that polyester putty. I'm just gonna let it dry, have it set so that I can start sanding it, have it ready for that primer. Here we go. Everything has been smoothed out. It's ready for that primer. I'm gonna put some self-etching primer right here, and we're good for that 2K primer. All right, everything has been sanded with 180 grit, and it's good to go. I already fixed all this area. We're good to go for that primer. So let's just mix it up, start spraying it. All right, here we go. Everything's been covered. Let me show you the primer I'm gonna be using. Let's just mix it up and let's go. This is a primer that I'm going to be using. It's a 2K polyurethane primer surfacer, and it's mix 411. 4 parts of the primer, 1 part of the activator, and 1 part of the reducer. Let's mix it up. There it is. There's the first coat of primer. I am going to be applying 3 coats of primer. Reason being, I want this primer to be a little bit thick so that I can block it perfectly straight. I am using the Avalon A1000 with a 2.0 tip. So it's laying it down perfectly. Let me just wait a couple of minutes, about 15 minutes for it to dry, and then come back, apply 2 more coats, and I'll be done. There you go, 3 full wet coats of primer. Now I'm just gonna let it set for a couple of days and have it ready for that guide coat. I'm gonna start on the other side. So this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you liked it, and I hope you follow this build of this El Camino. And like always, guys, I'll see you this coming week. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.